I answer the next question. My name is Yarlenis Mendoza Carreño. My family name is spelled like this, Mendoza. I'm in Cúcuta, Colombia. I'm doing both at the same time. I'm very interested in because I love to learn and study and more if it is from other countries. I really like to know new cultures and new language. I enjoy to my free time reading, go to the gym, and listening to music. To improve my English, it helped me a lot. So watch series in English, listen to music in English, use Duolingo whenever, and I can and have short conversation in English. And I will learn to swim because it is a bit complicated for me, and I would like to be able to do it much better so as not to be so afraid in the pool or in the sea. Okay, this is my level, and bye, thank you.